In 2025, I'm on track to generate just under $10 million online. My personal take-home profit is well over $1 million, and I've managed to achieve that without a degree, without a rich dad, and by relying heavily on AI tools. So heavily, in fact, that OpenAI literally sent my company an award to thank us. With 2026 around the corner, I wanted to put together a clear list of the AI tools I would recommend to anyone who wants to earn life-changing money next year, maybe even hit that $1 million mark. But let me be brutally honest, earning $1 million in a single year is extremely difficult. Realistically, 99.9% of people watching this will not hit that number in 12 months. But here's the point. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars. And those stars might be $10K, $20K per month, which is still a massive win. That's quit your job money, travel money, new car money. Finally, get those Taylor Swift tickets money. Once you're at that level, you have the foundation to aim for $1 million year in 2027. So no matter what happens, you win. Now buckle up, because this is not your typical AI tools list video. I'm going to give you a full blueprint for building your dream life with AI centered around 10 key tools. So let's ask a simple question. If this video gave you even a 30% chance of making $1 million in the next few years, would it be worth your time? I know my answer. If you're naturally skeptical, just stay open for a moment. And if you're on the fence, go back and check the receipts. Everything I'm sharing comes from real results. Now, here's where things get interesting. The people hitting the $1 million mark fastest are all following the same proven business model. Learn the thing, do the thing, teach the thing. Once you build a business offering one of these 3 services, education, consulting, or development, your next step is to package what you learn into a scalable offer. For example, let's say you're doing AI consulting. You run 30 AI tool audits for companies. After doing that many, you know exactly how to run them. You could do 1,000 more audits. Or you could package everything you learned into a DIY course that companies can buy. You still sell your $2K or $3K audits, but when a client says, "Not right now," you say, "No worries, here's a $297 version you can do yourself." That's scalability. Another example. Say you're building no-code AI automations for roofers, and after 20 client projects, you've figured out the best workflows that save them time and money. You can keep selling $10K, $30K automation services, or create a DIY program teaching roofers how to automate their own business. The important part, the part fake gurus forget, is this. You must keep doing the thing. That's how you keep learning, improving your methods, and making your scalable offer more valuable. If you stop doing the work, your knowledge becomes outdated and the whole model collapses. That's why I still run Morningside AI, and it's bigger than ever. We're signing massive deals, working with publicly traded companies, an NBA team, and even a major rugby league team. This isn't theory, it's what works. Now, let's break down how the 10 AI tools fit into the Learn, Do, Teach model. We'll use 5 tools for learning the thing, 3 tools for selling the thing, 2 tools for teaching the thing. Learn the thing. To make money, you must learn something valuable. This creates what I call a knowledge gap. If your client is a 0 out of 100 inches AI knowledge, you only need to be a 15 or 20. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to know more than they do. And the fastest, highest value skills to learn right now are AI education, AI consulting, low-code, no-code AI development, AI automation, script lace. You don't need to master everything. Pick one lane. Tool 1, ChatGPT. Tool 2, Claude. These 2 are the lowest hanging fruit for business ROI. If you learn to use them deeply, you can sell workshops, team training, AI readiness audits, departmental education. Tool 3, Lovable, or any no-code AI app builder. perfect for beginners. Start by rebuilding small websites, then gradually build AI tools and internal apps. Tool 4. Retail. VAPI AI Voice Agents. Voice AI offers some of the clearest ROI in small businesses, appointment booking, outbound calls, customer engagement, and more. Tool 5. Make.com. AI Automation. The best entry point into automation work and one of the most reliable beginner-friendly paths to $5K, $20K month. Phase 2. Sell the thing. Once you know something valuable, your goal is to let as many people as possible know you exist. Tool 6. Blot AI or Poppy AI. AI content engine for creating YouTube videos, LinkedIn posts, scripts, landing pages. It compresses your content creation down massively. Tool 7. Instantly AI. The best cold email outreach tool available. Load thousands of leads, send cold emails, and let Instantly's AI agents handle replies and book meetings. Tool 8. Gamma. AI slide deck generator. Saves days of work when preparing proposals, and more proposals equals more clients. Phase 3. Teach the thing. Once you have results, you package what you've learned into a scalable program. Tool 9. School plus Fiducia. Build a free community, nurture leads, and convert them into clients or course students. Fiducia adds AI moderation, analytics, appointment setting, and more. Tool 10. Hey Jen. Create an AI avatar of yourself to produce course content consistently at scale without constantly filming new videos. And that's the full blueprint. If you got value from this, subscribe for more videos on how to build a business with AI, use these tools effectively, and ultimately create the life you want.